Well, this is my new Propel Ocula HD. Here are the propellers, and here is the phone mount, charger, and SD reader. And oh, this is the Wi-Fi version. I have a regular one that's not a Wi-Fi camera, and it's very nice, flies great, has a good camera. So this went down, so I had to get it. So, and then this has the Wi-Fi camera, which the other one doesn't. So I have both the gray and the red one. This is the gray one. I have the red one which isn't a Wi-Fi. It's a little tough on getting out, but let's see. Whew. Finally. But anyways, there's the controller, the drone itself. Yeah, can't wait to fly this. Alright, well, thanks for watching.